Today in front of me I have the INFINIX Note 40 Pro Plus, and in this video I'll show how you can fix hacked system issues on this device. So I recommend that you begin by launching the proprietary built-in Phone Master app and use its antivirus tool. So here it is. Tap on it, agree on the terms of service, and allow the antivirus to perform its scan and check your system for any threats, viruses, and so on. And if it will find any viruses, it will also help you to terminate them or to remove them. In my case, there were no viruses found, so I can proceed. Another thing you can do is to launch the Google Play Store. Then at the top right corner of your display, tap at your profile picture, go into the Play Protect and run a scan using the Play Protect, which is going to check your system for harmful apps. And once again, if it will find any harmful applications, you will need to uninstall them right away to terminate the threat. And the most important thing that you should do if you think that your system security has gotten compromised, or to put it in other words, you've gotten hacked, is to check for available security and system updates, since those things are crucial and essential to your device's security. Now, the easiest way to do that is to launch your device's settings app, then go into password and security, then security update, check for security update, and if there will be a newer security version, install it, and also do that for the Google Play system update as well. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.